Imagine stepping into a realm where nature dances with magic. Behold the mystical ancient mango tree illustration, a mesmerizing masterpiece that transports you to the edge of a lush green forest at twilight. A young girl sits beside a clay pot of water, her innocent smile reflecting the warmth radiating from the golden mangoes that shimmer like miniature suns on the graceful branches above. Around her, a circle of blooming wildflowers stands guard, creating a natural embrace for this enchanting tree. Fireflies flicker in the air, casting a twinkling glow that complements the sky's transition from a gentle pink-orange sunset to the first stars of night. This illustration captures the essence of nature, offering solace and serenity, perfect for nature lovers yearning for a touch of magic in their space. Let the mystical ancient mango tree illustration grace your wall, inviting a sense of ancient wisdom and tranquility that connects you deeply to the wonders of the natural world.